Welcome, healthcare professionals. And today we will be discussing the ethical issues in research surrounding communication. Let us dive right in. We will first be identifying the principles of scientific communication. Now, scientific communication is the idea to inform and educate on a related scientific topic, informing ourselves, fellow healthcare professionals, and patients. Conducting research prior to the research study on peer-reviewed articles to thoroughly inform yourselves. Then relating the information into our day-to-day lives and the applications in which it can be utilized. Informing our patients with education materials and identifying the best way of communication, whether it's verbal, written, or by other means. Ethical implications in human research as it applies to the allied healthcare professional is applying the scientific communication to ethical implications, is fully understanding the situation, anticipating how to effectively communicate, considering patient or healthcare providers' culture, age, and religion. Human research for allied healthcare professionals should be transparent in communication towards all parties involved. Analyzing the ethical issues around communication when conducting research in the allied healthcare field is ethically, transparency should be top priority, and patient safety among others. Patient safety is protected by HIPAA. HIPAA would involve all health information of the patient be protected through research. So understanding follow-through of the research and truthful results objectively. How we would communicate effectively and appropriately with patients, families, and healthcare providers is to ensure that all parties involved are understand the information thoroughly, and that healthcare professionals understand how to effectively communicate that information, being patient and concise with communication skills. How we would write it formally to communicate information and ideas. We would effectively demonstrate formal writing skills by thoroughly understanding the material prior to writing the formal paper. But a clear explanation of the study involving size and goals of the research should be at the top, typically written in an abstract form. Transparency in the limitations of the research study should also be listed, and the summary of the results. Now, this is followed by the full explanation of the research, beginning with the reason for research, the process, and description of research subjects and all remaining data, concluding with results and acknowledgement on any documentation research that may have helped in the process. Thank you, and I hope you guys have a great night.